Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm flipping through 2 sticker books from Love Posh that I just received. I'm one of their affiliates and I get sent some of their products, and I wanted to share the new things that they currently have on their site that are currently available. I also have a discount code. If you're interested in purchasing, you can get a little discount using my code. But I'm going to flip through these and then I'll do a plan with me featuring these books. Also, I wanted to give a little mention. If you saw my unboxing of this sticker book that came in a kind of like a Love Posh box, and you really liked this book, you can actually buy this on its own. You don't have to buy the box in order to get this book. You can buy the book on its own. So this is She Coquette, and it's really, really pretty. I have a unboxing and flip through if you haven't seen that on my channel, but you'll be able to purchase this on its own if you wanted to, you know, pick this up. Maybe you really love the copy and you want to get another one, or if you just want the sticker book, you can do that as well. In this video, I'm going to flip through these 2 sticker books. These are huge sticker books. They are 60 pages each. They are $40 because they're basically like 2 sticker books in one, and they are $40 each. Again, I do have a discount code if you're interested. So let's flip through. We'll do Winter Allure first. All right, so can't wait to see these. Oh, this is perfect. I love the blues. So you have like little town scenes here, some pretty florals, and you get 2 sheets of that design. Here's the next one that coordinates. Okay, here's the next theme. You have more of a camping theme on this one. I like the purple and green combo. Ooh, the lake scenes, that's really pretty. These are clear. More of those camping, or this is ski lodge actually. Skiing section here. I like the different tones of colors in here, the variety of colors. All right, then we have winter, little cozy vibes here. The berries, that's cute. And the planners. Okay, then more of those tree scenes. That one's really pretty, the green and the blues. Winter scenes here. And all of the really pretty blues. And then the florals, these are clear. And some red ones. Oh, the little train, that's cute. Okay, oh, I love the window scenes, the little house scenes, those are cute. This one's more like a neutral tone. And then the florals with the pine cones and snowflakes. And then more florals. Ooh, this one's pretty, the pinks. These are clear. New Year's 2025. We got some girls here celebrating. Then we have quotes. Winter blessings, let it snow. Snow falling soundlessly in the middle of the night will always fill my heart with sweet clarity. Happiness, fresh snow. So you get a clear and a paper version. Here's some more quotes. I love the variety of the different, it's like this one's called Winter is Not a Season, it's Celebration. I just like the way it looks. So you get paper and clear. And then we're getting into the functional stickers. So boxes and checklists that will coordinate with the decorative stickers. Some headers and bullet points. Got pink and purple tones here, and green, blue, and gray. And then the green. Okay, so that is Winter Allure. All right, really pretty book. Next, we have Posh Christmas. I'm excited to see all the Christmas themed stuff in here. All right, so here's a pink and red Christmas. That paper and then clear on this one. And same, you get a paper and clear. Okay, then we got all the little treats on this page. Paper and clear as well. Some poinsettias. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be paper and clear, which I actually really like that because you have the option. I like having those options. I love these boxes. These are super adorable. Got some layered ones. Ooh, this one's so cute too. Those are fun. Okay, Christmas jams. And some florals. Okay, then we have some gingerbread and florals. This one's pretty. These like jewel toned colors. Cute. And then some clear florals. Little bird. These are clear. Ooh, this one's pretty, the gold. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Okay, then we got green and red Christmas here. The little scenes inside the cabin, looking all cozy. Ooh, black and red Christmas. Some more florals. Cute little house scenes. Little snowman. All right, into the functional stickers. This is a nice like red foil. I like that. So red, pink, and green. Love that combo. Then we have the gold, blue, and green. The checklist and the smaller boxes. Ooh, a nice black and red page here. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is different. I haven't seen Love Posh do this. But you can use this to date. I'm assuming because this was in a box that you can use this to date a planner, but this is just the book. So these are really nice because you can redate your the numbers on your planner and make it a little bit more festive. I really like this like striped one with the pink. That one's really pretty. Got a variety of there. Christmas countdown stickers. You get paper and clear. And then you have bucket list stickers. Watch the Nutcracker Ballet, write letters to Santa, go see Christmas lights, Christmas caroling. Again, paper and clear. And then you get some quotes. Merry and bright. Here comes Santa Claus, Santa baby. And you get paper and clear options. And then here's the last page of quotes. Sounds cute. North Pole, open me on the 25th. Nice. Okay, so that is Posh Christmas and Winter Allure. Again, they're available to purchase if you're interested. Love Posh is linked down in my description, and I have my discount code if you want to use that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick plan with me featuring one of these books. I actually have a patron who requested that I use, I think this book, and a specific set of stickers. So I'm just going to make that spread for Catherine. So I'm going to set that up. It's going to be a big spread. She uses a big, does she use a big memory keeping? I think she does. Yeah, big memory keeping spread. But yeah, let me get that all set up right now. Okay, so I have the pages, the big pages. I'm going to be using Winter Allure to decorate this spread for Catherine. And I have the sticker sheets he wanted to use, which were these right here. So these are both paper, so I'm just going to pull one sheet out to use. And then I feel like this kind of goes, yeah, it does. Okay. So we'll do that one. Those are clear. And then let's see the boxes I have to work with. Lovely, lots of lovely quotes. So happy about that. And then I have these gray tones. The blue is nice. Oh, this gray tone actually. This beige tone. Okay, we'll see what I can do when it comes to boxes, because This is a big spread, but she uses it for memory keeping, so I just put stickers down. Just kind of cover it up with stickers basically. So I want to put this one here because I really like that corner piece. Then let's add in a house right here. I'm just gonna put stickers down and then kind of work around some other elements. We have a nice little, ooh, that is so pretty. I want to have a Christmas like this one year. Actually, my nephew really wants a white Christmas because he kind of more or less grew up in Colorado, so he misses having snow. So maybe next year. Thankfully, here in California, we have places to go for that. Like we can go to the snow one, like snow, and then you can go to the beach and the desert all like in the same day. You can kind of hit all the spots. So we can go to Big Bear, which growing up, we went to Big Bear. I remember going one year with like my dad's side of the family. We went to Big Bear, which was fun. It's definitely fun to be with like all the cousins and in like a cabin and enjoy the snow. Me personally, I don't really care for the snow. Where I grew up here in California, it would snow one day out of the year, and then the next day it would melt away. It was like the perfect kind of snow. Just go away. Dealt with it for a day, and then it was pretty. I liked looking at it, but I don't like being in it. So yeah. But yeah, we definitely need to get my nephew into the snow again because he really, really liked it. Okay, so I think that's kind of a good start. Let me put down some boxes, and then I have these really nice quotes I can use. So let's go with boxes first. See how these will look on the spread. Okay, so I got one there. I want to do another like gray box like that on this side maybe. And then what's the color I want to use? I don't want to use this color, that's too blue. I have this like this grayish green tone. I feel like that probably will work. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some boxes around just because I like the look of spreads with boxes. Always feels like incomplete if it doesn't have boxes, even if it's for memory keeping. Like I always put boxes down to write in, to journal in. That's how I memory keep. Okay, let's put one of these larger ones over here. Okay. And then I can do maybe the fireplace on top. I'm actually gonna cut the white off a little bit. Big truck. Okay, let's put that on top. Okay, and then I can do, I don't want to use any of these headers because they're very like goal-oriented, like to-do list kind of quote or headers. All right, so let me add in some more florals. Okay, alrighty, and then let me put some quotes down. Okay. So happiness is fresh snow. Put that here. I just want to scatter quotes around the spread. This one says, when snow falls, nature listens. Stick that there. Actually, let me put it here. I love these quotes, like the style of them. They are so pretty. Let me see. And I like the mixture of like the regular lettering and then the scripty lettering. Let's do this one. The world changes when it snows. And I feel like one more. There's no place like home. Right there. All right, so I feel like over here I need something. It looks a little empty. So I'll put this little bookcase next to it. Okay, that looks better. And then I want to add some more of these little decorative elements. So I need to add more boxes. I have places to kind of sit them on, basically. So I'm just gonna scatter some boxes around that I can do that. Okay, put a box here. A box here. I'll do it here. Okay, and then do this one. Actually, this one's all nice and cozy. Put that one there. And I want to do the window here. Kind of goes with the scene, I feel. So why not? And then over here, let's do this one, the little teapot. That's cute. Okay, I think that works. And then I have these snowflakes. Let me scatter these around a little bit. Oh my goodness, I can't take it off. Okay, tweezers. All right. Okay, I'm gonna put one over here in the corner. And then I got some baby ones here. One more. Oops. Okay. Let's do this one here. Okay. Cute. I'm gonna add in a couple more boxes because I want to get that like greenish toned box like this one around the spread a little bit more because I only have one on this side. So I think I'll just add two. Again, they're just nice places to write in. Okay, that works there. I think that looks pretty good. All right, so that is gonna be Catherine's spread, and that is the Winter Allure sticker book. So thank you so much for watching, Catherine. I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Catherine. I think it turned out really cute. But that is going to be it for this video. If you're interested in purchasing, you can check that link down in the description. My affiliate link down in the description, affiliate link and code will be in the description. But yeah, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.